rook. So this rook goes straight only, travels straight, either vertically or horizontally. Okay. Now what I said is that if this pawn is here, can this rook travel? Can this rook go here?
Yes, sir.
No, the answer is no. Rook is stopped over here. Rook can come over here. It will remove this pawn. That means capture this pawn, but it will stop there. Yeah, but that will stop over there. It cannot go beyond the pawn. So these all squares are not under his control immediately. He can control this, this, and this. And all these squares also he can control. Very clear this? And if a family member
Yes,
is
sir.
here, what will happen?
Yes, sir.
This is a family member. White piece. Any
He
family
cannot
member.
try.
Any family member. Now here, in this case, you cannot remove your family member. No, not possible. नहीं तो आप करते हैं ना, समझो आपके पेरेंट्स कोई अभी डैडी अगर बैठे हैं कुर्सी पर न्यूज देख रहे हैं बेचारे शांति से और आप जाते हैं डैडी उठो मेरे को यहीं पर बैठना है तो आप वो फैमिली मेंबर को उठाते हैं माझी जागा है मला बसायचं आहे. You do that. That is not allowed. That is not allowed here. You are not supposed to encroach your family member's place. Very
Correct,
clear.
sir.
Very clear to
Yeah.
you?
Yes, yes, very clear.
Yes.
You can request your family member to go somewhere else and then later on you can come and occupy that. So that family member goes somewhere else, then only you can come. आप उसको जबरदस्ती उठा नहीं सकते हैं. So here, in this case, when the family member is over here, that is A4, rook can come up to here only. Here and here. And here also it can go.
He
But
cannot cross over.
It cannot cross over and it cannot come to that place also. If enemy is there, opposite color, then you can remove that enemy. Very clear.
And yes, sir, it's very clear.
Is this concept clear? This concept should be very clear. Okay.
Yes,
then
Sir.
I will go here. Now I am going to ask you, how many squares this rook is controlling? My question is very clear. How many squares rook is controlling when sitting on A1? You start counting the number of squares. Total number of squares I want you to count.
64.
64.
No, not 64. See, rook controls these squares only.
16.
And these squares only.
16.
1, no, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14.
15.
No, 14, only 14 squares. It cannot control its own square. वो जहां पर है वहां पर खुद को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाएगा. खुद का स्क्वायर कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाएगा, वो दूसरे स्क्वायर कंट्रोल करेगा. ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टंट चीज आहे. आपण म्हणतो ना मराठीत म्हणतात दिव्याखाली अंधार, तसं आहे. It cannot control himself, cannot protect himself. Okay, but
Okay,
it
sir.
can protect somebody else. So 14 squares it is controlling. So in our chart here we have taken this square control and minimum squares. So against rook, minimum how many squares it is controlling? 14. So
14.
14. So you write in that chart 14 squares it is controlling.
14 square is control.
Let us see what happens when we keep our rook over here. Now all of you please understand, these 4 squares are center squares, center of the board, and these all other squares, they form outer side of the board. Even this is also a center. So this first 4, these are epicenter of the board, and then this is the center. Overall 16 squares are there in the center. And remaining all squares, they form outside, suburb. We can say suburb. This is mainland China, and this is outside. Fine, you understand. Now, earlier I had kept the rook on the periphery, border or corner. Now I am moving towards center. Okay. So now you count number of squares. How many squares rook is controlling?
5.
Total squares controlling.
4.
Rook can go like this. Rook can go like this. And rook can go backward also. Rook can go this side also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Again 14. So it is controlling 14
It
squares again.
contains 14 square.
Perfect. Now I am moving towards center. Now you count how many squares it is controlling.
Sir, 14.
14. 14
Sure.
again 14.
14. Now it is finally in the center. And how many squares it is controlling?
Sir, 14.
14 only.
14.
Yeah. So I can say that rook's power,
In any way, it contains 14
yes,
square.
his power doesn't decreases or doesn't increases. वो कहीं भी रहेगा तो उसकी पावर सिमिलर रहेगी. देखो हाथी जंगल में है या आपके बालकनी में आपने बांध के रखा है उसको, उसकी पावर तो उतनी ही रहेगी. आपको तो फेंक के देने वाला है वो. बराबर है
हाँ
कि
सर.
यस
हाँ
परफेक्ट.
सर.
तो ऐसा नहीं है ना कि आपके बगीचे में वो आके खड़ा है तो इसकी पावर कम हो गई और जंगल में गया तो उसकी पावर ज्यादा हो गई. ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. उसकी पावर तो उतनी ही रहेगी. परफेक्ट है. सो हियर इन आवर चार्ट you will write maximum control is also 14. In this chart, you must have seen this point. Queen is given 10 points, rook is given 5 points, bishop is given 3 points, knight is given 3 points, and pawn is given 1 point. Here, these points are not given by me. These are considered point as per international rules and regulations. They are considered. And why this point? It is easier for you to identify who is stronger and who is less stronger. So queen is having 10 points. It is highest, strongest on the board. Then rook 5 points, bishop 3, knight 3, and pawn 1. Okay, and king infinity. King's power you cannot count, no? So uncountable. Infinity means uncountable.
Uncountable.
Yeah. So now we are now going for minimum and maximum square control. And also we are learning how they move. We will take different drills for this. You not to worry about that. But here little bit I am going to show you. Now we will come to bishop or camel. How does camel move? Camel
Bishop
moves
or
in a
camel?
slanting fashion or diagonal.
Only
Camel
diagonal.
moves only diagonal way. It cannot move this way or this way. No, not possible.
No.
Only diagonal. So how many
Only
squares it
move
is controlling?
diagonal.
How many squares it is controlling?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Seven.
7.
7.
7 squares it is controlling.
7.
So in our chart, we will see, put it 7 over here. Minimum square control is 7 from the corner.
Bishop, na? Bishop, na?
Yes.
Bishop.
Bishop.
Now, if I keep this bishop over here, slightly ahead, going towards center. Now you count number of squares.
Same.
Same. Sir, 7. Same.
Let us count it.
Same, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4,
Sir, 9.
7, and you are forgetting
Seven.
this because bishop can move this way also. It is diagonal.
9.
वो तो टेढ़ा जाता है, तो सब टेढ़े जगह से आपको जाना है जहां जहां पॉसिबल है.
Yes, sir.
So here it
So
is
it's 9.
9
Nine.
squares. Very good, very good.
So it's 9, sir.
9, very good. Now I am putting bishop over here. Tell me how many squares it is controlling.
7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
Oh, very fast. What's that?
11. 11. It can go backward.
Yeah, it can go backward also, na? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11.
11, sir.
एक मिनट. हेलो, मैं आपको फोन करता हूँ 10 मिनट में. So it is 11, 7, 9, and 11.
11.
Just remember this: 7, 9, and 11. How many squares it will control? Fast, without counting. 7, 9, 11. दो से पढ़ रहे हैं?
13.
13.
13.
13.
Now you tell me how many squares it will control. और एक स्टेप आगे गया.
15.
15. Who said that 15?
13.
अरे आगे जा रहा है तो उसका पावर बढ़ रहा है, तो और बढ़ना चाहिए ना, वो तो आगे गया.
So the maximum is 13.
13, because this is center. This is center. This is maximum. So this is also a center. So here power is not going to increase.
Yes,
now.
sir.
So maximum is 13 and minimum is 7. Let us put it over here. 13.
Minimum 7 and maximum 13.
Yes. This is what is square control. Control means if somebody comes over there, he is going to capture. That is the control. We call it as a control.
Okay.
Now we are moving towards king. King moves in all directions, but only one step. King moves in all directions, but only one step. So here, how many squares king is controlling?
King.
Only 3. Only 3.
Sir,
If
king
I
can
keep-
only control 3.
Yes, because it only goes one step at a time, so it can control only that much square. Now, if I keep my king over here, how many squares it will control? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good.
8.
Now, if I keep my king in the center, how many squares it will control?
8.
8 only. So perfect. So minimum is 3.
8.
Minimum is 3 and maximum is 8. Very clear? Very easy.
King.
Now we are moving to pawn. All of you, please pay attention here because pawn and knight are little difficult to understand. Pawns and knights are little difficult to understand.
Camel.
So please pay attention. Here, pawn moves only one step
One step.
at a
Only
time,
one step. He cannot
And
come
straight-
back only.
but it cannot capture anybody like this. It cannot.
No, sir.
Like
Or capturing its movement is different. Capturing is one step forward. One step forward, but it is slanting. Not this. This is not. Slanting only. So here, I can say this pawn can control one square only and can move to one square only. Moving is different and controlling is different. All other pieces, they move and control in a similar fashion. But pawn's movement and control is two different things. Here, all these pawns, they control slanting. So this is the control. This pawn will control here and here. This pawn will control here and here. This pawn will control here and here. So maximum 2 squares control and minimum 1 square control.
There.
Please write in your chart.
Maximum 1 and minimum 1.
Okay. Now, pawn, as I told you, can move one step, but pawn has 3 special powers.
Sir, I can't
Understand?
hear you.
Pawn has 3 special powers. So
Has
you
one
write,
chance to move double.
yeah, write down. First power is when pawn is in its original position. This is the original position where pawn stands. Initial position. From this, it can directly leap forward 2 steps. That is a special power.
Only one time.
No, all powers can move, but once you move one time, then you cannot leap forward 2 steps. Then afterwards, one step only. Only one
We
step.
can do only one time.
Yeah, one time, one pawn. So all pawns can go one time. All pawns can go once. Every pawn has that right to step 2 squares forward. This is rule number 1 or special power number 1. There is second power. All of you please write. When pawn reaches the last line, it can be promoted to any piece. Any piece. If pawn reaches over here, you can promote that pawn with, replace that pawn with rook, or you can replace with knight, you can replace with queen, you can replace with bishop, whatever you want.
But with our team members.
Not king.
Team member, दूसरे का team नहीं. You cannot replace white pawn with black rook. वो तो black को फायदा हो जाएगा. Opponent को फायदा हो जाएगा. अपना team member. Now there is one question. Can you replace pawn with the king? Can anybody answer this? If you want to answer, raise your hand.
No, sir. If we
No,
can
sir.
replace it,
No,
so
sir.
every game we can win.
Everybody says no. So I have to accept. Is it?
सर एक
No.
बार वापस बताओगे?
Yeah. When pawn promotes, pawn moves to last step. 1, 2, 3, 4 करके वो last line में आ गया. Yeah, this black pawn, for black pawn, this is the last line. Okay. यहाँ पर आ गया. So whether it can promote to king or not.
Sir, can you let me understand another time?
See, when pawn goes to the last line, na, it can promote itself or it can change itself to any piece. Any piece. It can, you can take bishop also, you can take queen also over here, or you can take rook also over here. Now
Sir, let me understand another time.
my question is whether you can take king when your pawn reaches last line.
No.
Can you take?
Sir. Yes, sir.
A number time.
Somebody says yes, somebody says no. What is this? Kumbrika, please. Hello. Here, I had given the answer in my first statement. I said any piece, and king is a piece. So you are allowed to take another king also, as per the rule.
No.
But nobody will take the king because already you are tired of saving your one king. दूसरे से आपको एक किंग को बचाना है. अभी दूसरा किंग भी आएगा तो दोनों को बचाते बचाते अपनी तो हालत खराब हो जाएगी. और even if one of the king is trapped, your game is over. So it is better to save one instead of two. इतनी ज्यादा जिम्मेदारी कौन लेगा? You understood? So technically it is possible, but practically
Yes,
it is
sir.
not correct. Practically nobody takes. I think there is one example. I had found that example long back. Now I am not getting it on Google. Once somebody has taken the king in one game, recorded game. But it is allowed, but don't, I will never ask you to take the king. Never do that. Very clear, everybody? So
Okay, sir.
this was the
Yes,
second
sir.
power. This was the second power. There is a third power to the pawn, and that is
उसके पास जाकर बोलना कि सुनाई नहीं.
you write this word, all of you.
Person and person.
All of you write this word. This is the French word. Its pronunciation is little different. En passant, we pronounce it as en passant. Yeah. Or in literal meaning is in passing. The meaning of the en passant is in passing.
In passing.
Yeah. In English we say en passant. En passant. In English we say en passant. But the meaning is in passing, and we write it in a short form EP. This is the special power to pawn. And earlier in our session, I had said there was an Indian chess and there was European chess. Two different things were there. So the difference between Indian chess and European chess is this EP or en passant, en passant. In Indian chess, en passant was not available in this. In India, en passant was not there, but in European chess, en passant was there, and we are following
Sir,
that.
what?
In fact, castling also was not available.
Sir, repeat the word.
On on.
Let me see. जाने देते.
Now, everybody, this I am teaching this en passant. Everything will be taught again. Don't worry about it if you do not understand. Just I am showing you what is there in store. But now what we have learned so far is there is a king movement, queen movement, rook movement, and bishop movement. But every movement I will take the drills because many of the children might not have understood this. I know that very well. So you do not have to worry for that. And yeah, we will take all the movements of the pieces, all movements of the pieces one by one from the next session. You did not have to worry. If anybody is not able to understand, I know that little fast. Okay? Don't worry about it. So next session onwards, it will be, see, we will start with the movements of the pieces one by one. and we will learn those movements very well, and then only we will move to next piece. Is it clear, all of you?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I know
Yes,
that.
sir.
Yeah. I know I was little fast today. Yeah. Okay. So today I cannot give you any homework or anything because we haven't just started. The only thing is that what you have to do is draw this chessboard. Okay, draw this chessboard in your notebook. Give the name to every square on the board. Okay, and give the name of the pieces on the board. You have to write the names of the pieces which we use on the board. Is it very clear to you?
I did it.
All of you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir, I did it.
Yeah. Who didn't understand? You raise the hand, beta. You understood what you have to write? You write the name of the squares, all the squares, and you have to write the name of the pieces which you have understood. Tomorrow we are going to look at this chart again, and we will go one by one learning their steps. We will do lot of drills. Once the drills are there, then you will understand it in a better way. Okay, every piece will have lot of
Yes, sir.
drills, and again we will refer to this chart, this 14 or 3, 8, whatever number of these squares. Na? I know that it is little fast, but I will be little slower tomorrow and will teach you that. Don't you worry about it. Very clear?
No, sir,
Okay,
it's
sir.
okay.
Yeah. This is the first session. Na? Fine, I understand. Any doubt so far, whatever I have taught, if you have any doubt, you please ask me now.
Hello.
If you haven't understand.
No, sir.
Somebody is saying hello. Who is that?
Sir, Riya Singhvi.
Yeah, please.
Actually, N%'s third rule, I didn't understood, sir.
Yeah. It is. In fact, N% is taught after 7 or 8 sessions. But I have to mention that rule is there. What happens when children start learning, and then when they go on telling somebody, and कोई neighbor है या कोई है, और वो बोलता है यार तेरे को ये भी नहीं सिखाया, तेरे को ये भी नहीं मालूम, तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. When pawn is moving, that N% has to be there. You must understand it. That's all. N% is there. Something is there. But that I will teach you after 7 to 8 sessions because it is very confusing. Most difficult thing about the pawn. So need not worry. Once the drills are there, na, everybody will understand that very easily. It is very easy then.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do not.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Arav, I am ready to hear.
Sir, if we kill an enemy, so we get double chance or not?
Please repeat. I didn't understood. If you
Sir,
kill,
if we kill an enemy, so we get double chance or not?
no double chance. Very good question. Very good question. See, chess, in general rule, I will tell you how it is played. You have to play one move. Once your move is over, you have to use one side only, either white or black. Choose one side, and then you have to start with white. Only white will start. Then black plays, again white plays, again black plays. Alternatively, you have to play. You are not allowed to play twice. You are not allowed to play that. Unless your opponent plays, then only you can play next move. No two moves continuously. And what Arav has asked, if we kill somebody, then you get one more chance. So that is not there. That rule is not there.
Okay, sir.
Any other question?
Sir, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
The second power of pawn, I'm not clear. You're not clear of second power of pawn.
Second power of pawn is a pawn promotion, but that I will explain again. You did not have to worry in that. So when we learn about pawn movement and do the drills, that time you will get it again. Do not worry.
Sir,
Yes.
Quant.
Who is this
I
Galaxy
have a
N9?
query.
Yes, Galaxy N9.
Queen.
Who is that? It is Avni.
हाँ sir.
Yeah, Avni. You have to write your name, beta.
हाँ.
Yes, Avni. Please speak.
सर अगर किंग और क्वीन को मारा तो भी हम लोग को डबल चांस नहीं मिलता है.
नहीं. किंग को तो मार भी नहीं सकता है, और लेकिन क्वीन को मारने के बाद भी डबल चांस नहीं मिलते.
ओ.
Any doubt so far? Yes, Hian, you want to ask? Yes, Hian, beta.
Look more mute. Pata lagi.
Okay. Vaibhav, you want to ask anything?
Hello.
Yeah. Vaibhav, I want to ask. Vaibhav, you can say it in chat box. Whatever you want to say, you say in chat. Everybody will come to know about it. Don't worry.
ये तो क्लास में चालू वाला है.
तर आपल्याला दाखवायला ठेवलंय का? सगळं आहे ते एक्स्ट्रा आहे.
Yeah, Vaibhav, when you have got little problem, you can't hear, you just log out again and log in. Once more you log in, it will solve the problem. Most of the time this happens due to internet problems, intermittent internet, or little lagging behind. So you just log out and again log in. It will help you to solve your problem. And anything you haven't understood, you just send me on WhatsApp what particular thing you haven't understood. I will take care about it. Don't worry, Vaibhav.
Hello.
Yeah, Vaibhav.
So what is that last sign you have kept it here?
Yeah, last rule was n patient, but that is really difficult one. I just mentioned it is power as a power, but I haven't taught you anybody, and I will be teaching that rule only after 7 or 8 sessions are over, because it is very confusing, and at this stage children will not be able to understand it. Anything else? Ashit, you want to say something?
What is the third rule of pawn?
Don't worry, that third rule of pawn I will tell again. Do not worry about it. Anything else?
काहीच नाही शिकवलं पुढच्या वेळेला का?
So I am closing this session for all of you. This session I have already recorded. So this recorded session will be available on YouTube, and I will send the link so you can watch the entire session again. That if any doubts are there, those doubts will be cleared, and still I am there to clear your doubts further. And
Okay, sir.
tomorrow we will start learning with the drills.
Okay, sir.
There will be lot of
Okay,
drills.
sir.
Yeah, and we will start learning from the rook again, and we will do all the drills, and you will be clear with the rook movements. One by one, step by step we will go. Not
So
to
today
worry
you have
about.
not taken the night, no?
No, not at all. Not
Okay,
at all.
sir.
Night, not at all.
Bye, sir.
Night is the last one we learn,
Okay.
because it is most difficult.
Okay,
So bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Tomorrow at
Bye,
sharp,
sir.
yeah, 5:15. Please join. Yeah, please join.
Thank you, sir. We have studied session a lot.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.